with the blues, so we're making some pizza kits. Titus, give me that out of the box. Styrofoam, yeah. See, this is what we're doing is we're packing these, and we're getting a lot of donations, and we're just keeping it rolling. But usually it's one. It's got the cheese, one sauce, the dough. We give directions, and so we've been passing these out. You know, we're doing some for 20 kids for the New London school system. We're just doing our part, you know, whatever we can do. So here we got the semolina on our board. So anyway, what I want to make is some. I want to make some. When I was young, my mom said I'm the youngest of 5 kids, so that's what we had to do. We had to make. She said, okay, now she got tired of us complaining about the dinners and the food, and we didn't like this and didn't like that, and she said, okay, so now everybody's gonna make one meal a week, so that we could make anything we wanted. We could make, and my deal was I want to make pigs in a blanket, because she used to make pigs in a blanket, and so that's what I'm going to make here today. So kind of just spread it out. It gets a little sticky. Add a little more semolina. That'll make it nice, extra crisp too. So anyway, so when you're doing your dough, just it's been setting out a while, an hour or so to get up to room temp, but it's still not great, as far as stretchability. But we're gonna let that relax for a minute. We're gonna make. So we asked Lakeisha and Titus what they wanted. I think I didn't put anything. I put so we're gonna do a little bit of honey mustard on our hot dogs. Tube steaks, what else we call them? Wieners, franks. So look at that, nice color. See? So, whatever's handy, I got my nice Chinese cleaver. So, kind of square it off, and probably so I put a little mustard, a little bit of honey mustard. Make these for the kids, they're gonna love them. So we're just gonna let that set, the cut side up for a little bit. Yeah, you serve these little franks and beans. Just let them set up for a minute, and then they kind of stick together, dry up a little bit. Make sure that it's all stuck together. Okay. And at the same time, while we have our own oven going, which is not going yet, so we're gonna put our oven on. I'm gonna bake it at like 3 1/4. Nice slow bake. So then we're just gonna make some finger rolls. Again, we'll get a little bit of semolina. So little bit of our, here we go. Just wet the bottom of the skillet just a little bit. A little something different you can do with your pizza dough. Most stores will you can buy your pizza dough pretty cheap. So what we're gonna do here with our dogs, our pigs in a blanket. I got one more dough here. Look at that. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more semolina, make it nice and crisp on top. And we want to do a little cheese, right? Perfect for the children. They can have fun doing it. They can roll their own. Okay. On these, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of salt. And that's it. We're going to put it in the oven, and then we're just going to let it do its thing. The Ajax Cool with the Blues. The kids are going to love it. And I'm going to start off the bottom rack. Let that bottom to cook low and slow on the baking for these. The Ajax Cool with the Blues. We'll be right back. Get him going. Get him over here. There he goes. Here he goes. Okay. All right, Titus, let's see the, I didn't have a 10 spot. Let me look at the 20 now. I hand it back over. Okay, now you got to beat your record to get the $10. Hold on. Now it's a 1 minute 29 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. This is the second oldest street. And oh, here it comes. No shortcuts. Here it comes. Gotta touch the bush. Touch the bush. 27, 28. Beat it by 1 second. Here he comes, dogging it. Axel. All right, you earn your $10. 1 minute, 28 seconds. Axel, you're a little bit behind. We did okay. We know it's ready because we've been smelling it. You can smell when bread, any kind of bread is ready. So I just want to glaze it a little bit. We're gonna microwave. Just microwave this a little bit, get everything melted. See, we're gonna look at this. Check her out. What I did the other day, I left the butter in the microwave way too long, and it exploded. A chunk of butter. Oh man, what a mess. This is good because it cooks the garlic a little bit. The kids might not like this. But they might too. You never know. I like to hit it right at the end with a little paprika. That's what my grandmother used to use, paprika in all her cooking. You're just gonna finish that off. I'd say about another just a minute or two. Matter of fact, we just shut the oven off. That way you don't waste the heat. Shut it off. Just let it finish cooking. And just give it another, let's say 2 minutes. Just ovens to settle down and the whole thing, just to finish it off and to let that glaze finish. Ready to roll? All right, look. Ooh-wee. Get it. Look at that, huh? Ah. Sugar doogie now. Okay. See that little cheese on the bottom? Nice and crisp. Yeah. That's it, a couple garlic knots. All right. We'll let that cool down. We're gonna test it out. The Daddy Jack's Cook with the Blues here, making something out of nothing. Just a piece of hot dog and some pizza dough, 2-cent pizza dough. On patreon.com/Cooking with the Blues. And we produce a lot of nice music live at Daddy Jack's. You can pledge as little as $1 to get into our page and sign up, and it'll be free downloads of that whole CD. We got 2 volumes of CDs. First one's all ready to go. All the local bands that we had at Daddy Jack's. Got Jason Banta. He's a legendary local studio engineer from Sonalist. He trained under some of the best studio musicians there and engineers. And we got beautiful, it's the Troublemakers, Vince Thompson, Subliminals are going to be on it. Who else? Redliners, Steve Hatch from the Redliners. His band Redliners, they went national, or they represented Connecticut in the Blues Challenge and went down to Memphis to compete for the best blues band in the country. He also went on his own last year as soloist, keyboard player, singer. So we got some really nice music, so come and check it out. Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. Let's check her out here. What I was saying is that we tried a little piece, just sample it. You know, this is great. The pizza dough is great, but it's hard to bite and it kind of slips out of the pizza crust. When I did it, I remember I did it with pie crust. But here, well, it's nice. See? Yeah, beautiful. See, you slow bake it. It cooks all the way through. And so the dough on the inside, the hot dog got plenty hot. All right, Titus, here. Grab a piece. Yeah. Save a little bit for Axel. That's the deal. Lakeisha, you want any?
I'm good, honey.
All right, Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues here. Peace out.